It's already time. Hello students. I am Teacher Ron and we're going to learn English. Today, we are going to learn about time. But first, let's watch this video.
What time is it? It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1:30, 2:33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 30. It's 8:30, 9:30, 10, 30, 11, 30, 12, 30. What time is it?
Hello, this is a clock. And now, it's time for us to learn about time.
We tell the time so we know when different events happen throughout the day, whether during the morning, noon, evening or night. This is an analog clock. The blue highlighted area is called the clock face. The red lines are called hands. No, not these types of hands. We have two types of hands on the clock. This is the minute hand. The minute hand is the longer hand. The other type of hand is called the hour hand. This hand lets us know what hour it is, and it is the shorter hand. The numbers on our clock face represent the hours. Look at the minute hand zoom around the clock. We've sped up how long it would usually take. You will notice that both hands are spinning in the same direction. We call this clockwise. What's the time? When the longer hand, the minute hand, is pointing to the number 12, and the smaller hand, the hour hand, is pointing to one of the hour numbers, we call this o'clock. For example, when the minute hand points to 12 and the hour hand points to 1, we say it's 1 o'clock. But when the minute hand, the bigger hand, gets to the number 6, then we say half past. You can see that when the minute hand is pointing to the 6, our hand is pointing to the number 7, we say the time is 7:30. Can you tell the time? Is it 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or is it 3:30? It's not 3:30. It's 3 o'clock. What time is it now? Is it 10 o'clock, 12:30, or is it 12 o'clock? It's It's not 12:30. Hint. Look at where the minute hand is pointing. It's 10 o'clock. The big hand is pointing at 12, so we say o'clock and put it after the number that the small hand is pointing to, which is 10. That means it's 10 o'clock. What is the time now? Is it 6:30, 6 o'clock, or is it 4:30? It's not 6 o'clock because the minute hand isn't pointing to the number 12. It's not 6:30 as both hands would be pointing at 6. It's 4:30. Well done!
Let's try to review what we've learned. What time is it? Very good. It's 12 o'clock. Now, what time is it? I can't hear you. Very good. It's 2 o'clock. How about this one? Are you ready? Okay. What time is it now? Very good. It's 6 o'clock. Last one. Are you ready? Okay. This is the last one. What time is it now? What? Very good. It's 9:30. Very good. Now that you've learned how to look at the clock, it's time for us to do our activity. Activity time! For our activity about time, I want you to open your workbook on page 15. Page 15. And you're going to answer it and submit it to me online. Okay? See ya! Bye-bye!